pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a measurable Monday. Lunes mensurable. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. Is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: what is the most popular dog breed in the United States? Is it the miniature poodle, the American Staffordshire Terrier, the Labrador Retriever, or the French Bulldog? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.